Hi guys, today's video I'm gonna show you how you can import your own custom backgrounds and that's it. So first you want to minus 3D. You can do yours whatever you want. I don't really care. This is my 3D one. And this is my character. And this is my character. Doing my code. I'm just gonna do this. And this is what I'm gonna work on. This is my character. You're gonna go into Paint 3D for this. Paint 3D. And then you wanna, you wanna do the sprite sheet if you have the other one. So first you wanna go to for the background Halloween._PG. That's for me. I'm gonna go to images, icons. Instead of characters, we're gonna go to stages, and then we're gonna go to spooky. You have to be named Halloween._PG. I'm just gonna place my necessary characters, and you need to put it as a sprite generator XML file. If you watch my other tutorial, you would know it. But I'm just gonna add my other stuff that I have in here. Title screen. I'm just gonna put in my custom title screen right here. And then I'm just gonna go to right here. And so now once I load the stupid fuck, I'm gonna see my character. Oh my gosh, it's taking so long to load. Alright, my codename again. It might freeze because codename engine can't handle it. But once it can, it will unfreeze. Just like mine. Yeah, like that. That's my character. I'm just not gonna.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh. Well, at least we have the background. Wait, no. Yeah, go.
3, 2, 1, go!
We have. This was the test beta of the
3, 2, 1, go!
This was the test beta, by the way. Abort us. So, you'll expect that. But once we go over
3,
here.
2, 1, go!
I don't know how to put it in stage. But yeah, that's how you put it.
2,
Monkey
1,
Mom.
dog.
That's how. Mine is that big because I didn't put it that big, but yours is probably gonna put it big if you don't know how to. Well, anyways, that's all for my